Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the natural gas price has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, first of all, you have to understand there is a huge volatility we have seen in the natural gas prices when the Ukraine war and Russia war was there, because it has affected the import and export of natural gas. Okay, as of now, what you can see after Feb of 2023, we have seen it is moving in this zone. Okay, a zone high is $3 and a zone low is $2. So you have to keep that in mind. If the price move in between this particular zone, it will be in a zone. Till the time it is not breaking these zones, we will not see there a big movement coming. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, a U pattern was forming. After that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and then I have told you that if the price sustain this level, then chance of going further upside will be there, and this is the level where most of my clients have made very good profit. Okay, some have exited at a smaller profit, but probability was very high that this is the point where chance of going further upside is there. Okay, suppose if you look at this particular chart, after making a high of around $9.9 at this particular level on high, this is where we have seen that it is trying to go and make a $3 high, means above a $3, but it didn't sustain and form a swing at this particular level. After that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and chances are very high because we can see from 5-7 days there is a continuous fall. Only one day we have seen a green candle is forming, otherwise there is a continuous fall. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, and chances are very high it cannot sustain and go towards a level of $2.326, and if that level move further down, then a price fall below this particular level, chances of going towards a level of $2.295 is there, and once it move below this particular level, then we can see it can go further down, and a probability of touching 2.284 is there, and from there we can see a level of $2.250. Keep that in mind. Once the price fall below this particular level, yes, a probability is very huge and high that it can go towards a level of $2.227, because there will be a zone breakout, and this level we have not seen since long. So once it fall below this level, it can go towards a level of 2.20 to a level of further down, and can touch a level of $2.140. Keep that in mind that there is it is an as per the day chart. So day, and remember one thing, chart is always right. You cannot say that it has to move like this or that. You have to follow the trend. You have to follow your trade according to your charts, according to the chart forming on the table. Okay, otherwise you should not be following your own judgment. Okay, because trade, whatever you can see on the screen is the real truth. Okay, so you have to trade as per the charts. Okay, suppose if the price move below a level of $2.140, then yes, a probability of going towards $2.084 is there, and if that level move further down, then yes, you can say it can cross this particular zone, and once the price fall below $2.084, then only we can see it can fall further down. Otherwise it is not moving down. Okay, otherwise it will fall, it will move in this zone. Okay, and till the time there is no big event is coming, we cannot say that there is a huge movement will come. Okay, we now suppose for this particular day it is still remaining. I am making in a live market this video. So suppose if the price sustain this particular level, because market is always uncertain, you have to set your SL for a particular trade, set a limit for a particular day, for a particular week, for a particular month, so that your capital should not be wiped out. That is very important. If your capital is wiped out, then you will not be able to take a trades when there is huge chances of making good profit. Okay, so you have to save your capital in order so that you can make good profit. Suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of $2.393. okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then yes, chances are high, because that is $2.938 is already being weak resistance. So chances can be high, it can go towards a level of $2.489, and if that level sustain, yes, it can go further upside towards a level of 2.512. 2.512 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can go towards that particular level and can touch a level of $2.583, and from there we can see it can cross a level of 2.583, and from there we can see a level of $2.694. Okay, and if the price sustain of that particular level, then it can go towards a level of $2.694, and from there we can see a level of $2.719. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular zone, then yes, high chances of going towards a level of $2.179 to a level of around 2.8. Keep that in mind. Once the price move up a level of 2.8, yeah, there's chances of touching a level of around 2.878 is there, and from there it can touch a level of $3.064. Okay, so once the price sustain $3.086, then yes, a high chances of going towards 3.312 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside. So you have to keep it that once the price sustain above $3, then yes, a probability of going further upside is there, because the price is moving in this zone for quite some time. So once started going higher, then we can see it can go further upside, otherwise it will not. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.